In the current transforming world, Emerson is driven to continuously look for innovative ways to interconnect with our customers. Especially in today's challenging climate, Emerson wants to support our customers in maintaining their global supply chains when health and safety restrictions are challenging business continuity. Inspections are one of the most important parts of our process. Traditionally, this task was handled in person. However, Emerson has implemented a new system that allows this review to be conducted fully remotely. During the remote inspection, an Emerson representative will walk you through the process via a live-streamed hosted conference call. Customers can view the product being calibrated in real time in accordance with the specific parameters your operation requires. The results are directly available for your approval. We can bring the camera near to the product for you to view any detail in close-up. With a state-of-the-art, high-resolution camera solution, our predefined inspection agenda systematically enables the customer to perform a thorough close-up product inspection, while also exploring some of the unique features. Once the inspection is completed and the order is approved, it will be processed and prepared for shipping. Remote inspections eliminate the expense and time associated with on-site visits without compromising quality or collaboration. If you are interested in learning more, please contact your local Emerson representative or visit us at www.emerson.com.